Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a review on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen at the bottom, you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Go to profile. Under profile, you can see options like manage your account, rewards and wallet, Genius loyalty program, saved and reviews. Now go under reviews. Now under reviews, you can see your review. Now on the top right corner of your review, you can see a 3-dot menu. Tap on it. Then from the bottom, you can see an option saying delete review. Tap on that delete review option, then select delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a review on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.